In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a task on ClickUp. If you need to give someone access to a specific task, ClickUp makes it simple to do. Whether you want to invite a teammate directly, send a link to someone who already has access, or create a public view-only link. I'll walk you through the full process clearly so you can choose the sharing option that fits your situation. To begin, open the ClickUp task you want to share. Make sure you're inside the exact task, because the sharing settings you choose will apply to that specific item. This is helpful when you only want to give access to one task instead of an entire list, folder or space. Once the task is open, go to the upper right corner and click Share. This opens the sharing settings for the task and gives you the options to invite people, assign roles, adjust permissions, and copy links. Next, enter the recipient's name or email address in the sharing field. This tells ClickUp who you want to invite to the task. Be sure to enter the correct contact information so the invitation goes to the right person. After that, choose a role for the person you're sharing with. You'll typically see options like member, limited member, or guest. The role you choose affects the kind of access they can have in your workspace, so pick the one that best matches how involved that person needs to be with the task. Then set their permission level. You can choose from full edit, comment, or view only. This step is important because it controls what they're allowed to do once they open the task. For example, if someone only needs to review the task, view only or comment may be the better choice. If they'll be actively working on it, edit or full edit may make more sense. When everything looks right, click Send Invite. That sends the invitation to the person you entered, so they can access the task based on the role and permission settings you selected. If the person already has access and you just want to send them the task quickly, click Copy Link. This gives you a direct task link that you can paste into a message or document for easy access. Finally, if you want to share a public view-only version of the task, enable Share Link with anyone. This creates a public link that can be viewed without giving editing access, which is useful when you want to share information more broadly while keeping the task protected. Thanks for watching.